Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jonell and I am back with another video. I'm gonna be talking about my favorite self-care products. Self-care is super important, especially right now with all this crazy stuff going on. 2020 has literally been the wildest year, like the wildest year that I've ever experienced. Like this has been a freaking roller coaster. So much is going on. A lot of very depressing things are going on. The news is very depressing, okay? And I just wanted to share with you guys some of my favorite products that I like to use when I'm really just taking care of myself, whether it is to have a whole like self-care night where I really just focus on myself and, you know, relaxing, or, you know, just little things that I like to use throughout the week to make myself feel better, make myself feel good, you know, upkeep, all that good stuff. So if you're interested, then keep on watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so you're notified every single time I post a new video about natural hair, beauty, lifestyle, whatever the heck I feel like posting. Join the XO gang because it's super lit over here. Okay, let's go. First of all, I want to start with these Dr. Teals Ultra Moisturizing Bath Bombs. So these bath bombs are made with eucalyptus and spearmint, and they also have jojoba oil and sunflower oil. I really like these bath bombs because they're more on the gentle side. It has Epsom salt in it, which really helps to like relax my muscles, and the eucalyptus and the spearmint is also just a really relaxing scent. It's great for when I want to take a bath like after a workout and my muscles are super duper tired. It's not too heavily scented and doesn't have too many crazy things that are gonna throw my pH balance out of whack, if you know what I'm talking about. So I'm not the biggest fan of bath bombs for the simple fact that they can mess up your pH balance of your kitty cat, okay? She can definitely go all types of crazy because of these bath bombs, all these different crazy scents, fragrances and dyes and all that crazy stuff. But I think this is a good, like, bare minimum good bath bomb. Number two is probably gonna seem a little weird, but number two are these Crest 3D Whitestrips. Keeping my teeth white is definitely self-care, okay? Yes, I brush twice a day, I floss every single day, and I use mouthwash every single day, but I want to, you know, make my teeth white, and I can't afford to go get them whitened at the dentist or anything like that. So these white strips work wonders. They keep my teeth nice and white, okay? And a lot of people tell me how white my teeth are, and these are the reasons why. If you are trying to whiten your teeth and you don't want to buy that crazy like laser thingy, or you don't have enough money to do it at the dentist, then Crest 3D White Strips, super accessible. You can get them in Walgreens, Walmart, you can pretty much get them anywhere, you know, super easy to get your hands on, and they work. Look at my teeth, I mean, look, hello. They white, right? Crest 3D White Strips. Number three is the EOS Shea Butter Shave Cream. Now, of course, it is completely up to the individual to decide whether or not they want to be hairy and keep the hair that grows on our bodies because it's completely natural, or hairless. I personally prefer to be hairless, at least on my legs, underarms, bikini area, you know. However, I do wax the bikini area, but I do shave my underarms and my legs, and I use this shave cream, and it is amazing. I consider shaving a part of my self-care routine. I love this freaking shave cream, mostly because it is shea butter and it leaves my skin feeling really, really soft, and it smells good. It's got a shea buttery, vanilla-y kind of scent, and it leaves my skin feeling nice and soft and moisturized. It's a nice creamy texture, so it doesn't really foam up or anything like that. Kind of stays like a cream lotion type of thing. You can use it wet or dry, which is really convenient because sometimes I forget to shave after I've already showered and all that, or sometimes I need to quickly like shave my underarms before I leave the house. Yeah, this is perfect. I love it so very, very much. I really don't like shaving, but this does make it a lot easier and better. And my legs are all nice and shiny, and smooth. As you can see, you probably can't really see that, but it's okay. We're gonna move along. Number 4 on my list of my favorite self-care products is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I really love this lip sleeping mask, guys. I use it every single night on my lips. I use a generous amount, and when I wake up in the morning, my lips feel amazing. They feel soft, they feel supple, they just feel so moisturized, and I literally can't live without this thing. Like, I can't live without it. I love this lip sleeping mask. It is amazing. I believe they have different like flavors, scents, whatever. Yeah, that's really all I have to say about it. It's about $20. It sounds like a lot. I know this is a little container, but like I said, I've been using this specific container since Christmas of 2019. So it's been 6 months. I still have a decent amount left, and I use a generous amount. When I say I slather this on my lips at night, I slather it on. Okay, it looks like I just had a 10-piece greasy chicken wings. I love that lip mask. You can get it at Sephora. I'm not sure where else. I got mine from Sephora, $20. Yeah, okay. So number 5, 6, and 7 are all from the same company. They're all from Soap and Glory, which are products that you can find in Walgreens. I'm gonna say Ulta has them, but I'm not sure. Do not quote me on that. But I know for sure you can get them in Target. You can get some of their products in Walgreens. I don't know where else, but I'll leave some links below if need be. First product that I do want to talk about from the first product that I do want to talk about from Soap and Glory is their Whipped Clean Luxe Cream Wash Shower Butter. So this product I actually got from Target. It was on clearance for about $5. So I hope that doesn't mean that they're like discontinuing it or anything. Hopefully it just wasn't selling well in that specific Target. I don't know. But I love this shower butter so much. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really know exactly I don't really know for sure if you're supposed to use this by itself. I've been using it along with, you know, my regular body wash that I use. But I love the shower butter. It makes my skin feel so soft and moisturized and amazing. I also really love the smell. So it has cocoa and shea butter, grapeseed, sweet almond, and macadamia nut oils, and it smells just like that. And the scent is a pistachio, almond, and sweet vanilla scent. If you ask me, it really kind of smells more like, it has like a baby powder scent. It kind of smells like pistachio, almond, sweet vanilla, and baby powder, but it's really good. Like, I really love the smell of this, and it's just a buttery, like, I just love it. So I would just take like a quarter size amount, a little bit goes a long way with this, a quarter size amount maybe, and just like rub it all over my body. And this gets me nice and clean and moisturized and smelling amazing. So number 6 from Soap and Glory is the Smoothie Star, the Breakfast Scrub Oat Shea Butter and Sugar Body Smoother. So this has organic Kopuwaku bio scrubs, banana, almond, and honey extracts. Okay, these products, you guys, from Soap and Glory have seriously amazing ingredients, and for the price, they're a little bit on the pricier side as far as drugstore products go, but I mean, you can't really I can't even really complain because the ingredients are so good. It's almost like high-end like products that I would buy from Sephora or Ulta or something like that, you know? But they're like up to $20, I wanna say, or maybe up to $15. They don't really go above $20, any of their products as far as I know. But this breakfast scrub is really nice. I love the way this smells as well. All of their products just smell so good. This one definitely smells like a brown sugary vanilla. You can kind of smell the oatmeal a little bit. I love the texture. It's very different from other body scrubs that I use. It's kind of more gentle, I would say, as a body scrub. It's not super harsh. The scrub like beads aren't thick and huge and like sharp and like cutting you. So it's a very gentle body scrub, great for exfoliating. It's very smooth. It leaves my skin again feeling super soft and smelling amazing. I think this was about $10, but I could be wrong. I'll try to put as many links as I possibly can in the description box for you guys. Oh Lord Jesus. Number 7, which is also again from Soap and Glory, is their Smoothie Star Moisturizing Body Lotion Body Milk. Now this of course is just a body lotion. It has yogurt and cocoa, oats, honey and apparently prebiotics, whatever that means. I don't know. But this again smells amazing. And this is like my favorite lotion. I've tried a lot of different lotions, guys. And this is my favorite freaking lotion. It is almond and vanilla scented, which is kind of similar to the Whipped Clean. It kind of has a similar scent, these two. They're both from, oh, they're all Smoothie Star, so they're all kind of similar smelling. I love the consistency of this lotion. My issue, I don't like lotions that are too watery, and I don't like using products that are too thick all the time, like Shea body butters or things like that. I love those, don't get me wrong, but I don't have time to be scooping out and waiting for it to melt all the time. But this is the perfect, like, on the go, like I need to just lotion up real fast and get moisturized and get out the house or get to work or whatever. And the consistency is literally perfect. It's just thick enough that I like it. I like my lotions to be somewhat thick, but not too thick to where I have to like rub it in to spread it and like wait for it to melt or anything like that. And it's not too thin either. So it's just the perfect consistency for me, and it smells so good. By the time I'm through using all three of these products, your girl smells like a baked good, okay? I smell like a whole cookie, a whole cupcake, a whole snack, okay? Let me tell you something, okay? I smell like a baked good, okay? Get y'all some of this, okay? Get y'all some of this, because let me tell you something. I'm gonna keep that to myself. Anyways, so last but not least on my list of favorite self-care products is the Herbivore Coconut Milk Bath Soak. So this is a product that I kind of splurged on. It's a little bit more on the expensive side. I got it for Sephora for my birthday as a little treat to myself. This smells heavenly, okay? I just take like a teaspoon of this. It's like a powdery sort of substance. Take like a teaspoon or tablespoon or however much and scoop it out into my bath, and it gives my bath a super relaxing, coconutty smelling. It just smells so good, and I just feel luxurious when I use this, okay? Partly because Herbivore is not cheap, okay? Herbivore is not really that cheap, so I just feel really luxurious, and it does leave my skin feeling nice and moisturized and soft. Yeah, I soak in this for like, they say soak in it for at least 15 minutes. I be in the tub for like an hour, just sitting, enjoying the scent and enjoying how soft and buttery my skin feels. And then I come out and shower using all of my soap and glory stuff. And by the time I am done, y'all, okay, by the time your girl has finished her entire self-care routine, my teeth are white, my skin is soft and moisturized and glowing and buttery, and I smell like yeah, that's all I have to say. Those are my favorite self-care products right now. Yeah, like I said, self-care is super important right now, and honestly all the time. I really believe, I'm not rich. I can't afford to go to the spa every week, every month, and right now it's not really a good idea to be doing any of that anyways. So I just feel like it's super important to, treat myself and make myself feel all luxurious, even if it is on a budget. My body don't know that. So that's the end of this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below if you use any of these products or what some of your favorite self-care products are. Let me know, because I want to buy them all up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. My handle is @JonellSequiraXO. All the information will be in the description box down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.